I found this medical device that was manufactured through computer technology innovation. This is Stephen Marsh, the founder of the company and the creator of the airing machine. This man right here is affected by sleep apnea. It's a really bad sleeping disorder that causes dramatic snoring, gasping, and choking at night because there is not enough air transmitted through the airway of the person sleeping. And this disease is very dangerous because it puts people for a risk of increased risk of diseases such as strokes, coronary diseases, and much more. This disease, sleep apnea, limits the quality of life of patients, and there is treatment, but the treatment is a big CPAP machine with hosing, like the one that he's wearing right here. And this machine is very difficult. That's Tom Cotton right there. He's the patient, and he says at night he just wants to take off the machine because it's very cumbersome and it gets in the way of good night's sleep. Stephen Marsh was aware of the struggles that people went through with those CPAP machines, which is why he made airing. Airing has small micro pumps, which are very powerful. And this is an example of how small airing is and how it facilitates the sleep of patients. There are many pros regarding this machine, and the only thing that's necessary right now is funding in order to get it mass manufactured and released. The cost is projected to be about $3, and the airing machine runs on batteries. This brand new computer innovation regarding the sleep apnea disease can benefit a lot of people in a lot of communities, and it could definitely change the way that we treat sleep apnea, sleeping disorder as a whole. I can definitely see this machine growing and a lot of people gaining access to it. To me, these healthcare developments are important because it just demonstrates the power of technology when we implement the negative outcomes of what's already in place, but we use technology to fix things. And I have faith in this airing machine, and I believe that it can help out a lot of people. Doctors are already interested in treating other patients, and I'm sure they vouch for this machine as well.